Hi everyone, I'm here to share the latest update on the robot Mustang GTD kit. Part 3. 3D printing prototype has arrived and now we're ready to fit the prototype onto our car. First, we'll position the 3D printed prototype in place, making sure everything aligns correctly with the car. Next, we'll take a look at the gaps around the fenders and make adjustments. After that, we'll apply a release agent and protective tape to the original car before layering fiberglass over it. The goal of this process is to create a perfectly fitting surface for the car. Once the fiberglass layer is complete, the backside of the side skirt will have a precise fit, thanks to the fiberglass mold. When the final product is ready, the side skirt can be attached securely to the car. After the bonding surface is fully cured, we'll reinforce the 3D printed parts. We'll then apply an adhesive layer between the components to ensure everything stays firmly in place. Once all parts are aligned correctly, the side skirt will be perfectly fitted to the car as if it were an original piece. Finally, after finishing the surface treatment, we'll be ready to start mold production. Stay tuned for Part 4 from robotbodykits.com.